The number one most dangerous ingredient in the world. Today, we're uncovering a hidden health threat that could be lurking in your favorite foods. It's not sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or seed oils, it's something far more dangerous. Stay tuned to learn about this invisible toxin, how it affects your health, and simple ways to protect yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. This is information everyone needs to know. What is acrylamide? Acrylamide is a chemical compound that forms naturally in certain foods when they are cooked at high temperatures, typically above 248 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. This includes methods like frying, baking, roasting, and toasting. It is not an added ingredient, but a byproduct of the cooking process, making it impossible to detect through taste, smell, or appearance. The key chemical reaction responsible for acrylamide formation is the Maillard reaction. This process occurs when amino acids, particularly asparagine, react with reducing sugars like glucose, dextrose, glucose syrup, or maltodextrin under heat. While the Maillard reaction is responsible for the appealing golden brown color and savory flavor of cooked foods, it's also the culprit behind acrylamide production. Why is acrylamide dangerous? The dangers of acrylamide are well documented by scientific research and regulatory agencies. Here are the primary health risks associated with this toxic compound. Carcinogenic properties. Acrylamide is classified as a Class A carcinogen by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Animal studies have shown that high levels of acrylamide exposure can lead to the development of various cancers. Although human studies are ongoing, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, considers acrylamide a probable human carcinogen. Neurotoxicity. Acrylamide is a potent neurotoxin, meaning it can damage the nervous system. Prolonged exposure has been linked to conditions like peripheral neuropathy, which affects nerve function and can lead to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. Reproductive harm. Studies indicate that acrylamide may harm reproductive health. It has been associated with reduced fertility, DNA damage in sperm, and developmental issues in offspring exposed during pregnancy. Oxidative stress and inflammation. Acrylamide promotes oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, both of which are underlying factors in numerous chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Foods containing acrylamide. Acrylamide is most commonly found in carbohydrate-rich foods cooked at high temperatures. Some of the primary sources include potato-based products. French fries, potato chips, and hash browns are notorious for high acrylamide levels. Baked goods, bread crusts, cookies, crackers, and cakes are significant contributors. Cereal, breakfast cereals, particularly toasted or flaked varieties, can contain acrylamide. Coffee, roasting coffee beans produces acrylamide, making it present in brewed coffee. Snacks, corn chips, pretzels, and other packaged snacks often contain acrylamide due to their cooking processes. Processed baby foods. Certain baby foods made with roasted cereals or puffed grains may also contain acrylamide, posing a risk to infants. How cooking methods affect acrylamide formation. The method and temperature of cooking play a critical role in the formation of acrylamide. Here's how various cooking methods stack up. Frying at high temperatures is one of the leading causes of acrylamide formation. Foods like French fries and potato chips are particularly susceptible due to their starch content and the extreme heat used in frying. Baking produces acrylamide in foods like bread, cookies, and cakes. The crust of baked bread, for example, contains significantly more acrylamide than the soft interior. The regulatory response. Given the significant health risks associated with acrylamide, regulatory agencies worldwide have taken steps to address the issue. For example, the World Health Organization, WHO, and Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, have highlighted acrylamide as a major public health concern. The European Union has set benchmark levels for acrylamide in various food categories and requires food manufacturers to take measures to minimize its presence. The FDA has issued guidelines for consumers and food manufacturers to reduce acrylamide levels in food. While these measures are a step in the right direction, more comprehensive efforts are needed to protect public health. Acrylamide and coffee. A special case coffee is a unique case when it comes to acrylamide. Roasting coffee beans creates acrylamide, but the levels decrease during the brewing process. While coffee contains beneficial antioxidants, its acrylamide content has raised concerns, particularly for heavy coffee drinkers. To minimize risks, consider brewing lighter roasts, as darker roasts may contain slightly lower acrylamide levels. Additionally, moderation is key. Enjoy your coffee, but don't rely on it as your primary beverage. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay informed. Let us know in the comments how you plan to reduce acrylamide in your diet. And remember, the journey to better health starts with small, informed changes. See you in the next video.